Imagine a forgotten instrument correcting one of NASA's biggest disasters. It's 1990, the Hubble Space Telescope, the crown jewel of astronomy, finally launches into orbit after years of anticipation and billions spent. Scientists worldwide are poised for a golden age of cosmic discovery. But when Hubble sends back its first images, the excitement turns into a nightmare. The photos are blurry, fuzzy, and indistinct. Something is terribly wrong. Hubble's 2.4-meter primary mirror was supposed to be the most precisely ground optical surface ever made. But a minuscule error, just a fraction of a hair's width, meant the telescope couldn't focus. NASA faces public embarrassment, financial disaster, and the threat of losing its scientific credibility. The world watched as NASA scrambled for answers. To discover exactly what was wrong, scientists needed more than just Hubble's blurry images. They needed to see what Hubble was seeing, but in perfect clarity, from Earth. Enter the forgotten hero, the University of Arizona's Steward Observatory, home to a ground-based telescope called the Multiple Mirror Telescope, or MMT. Despite not being as famous or advanced as Hubble, the MMT could observe the same stars and galaxies. Astronomers used it to simulate Hubble's vision, analyzing the telescope's optical flaw and verifying the error in the mirror's curvature. The MMT's detailed observations helped pinpoint the precise nature of Hubble's defect. Armed with this knowledge, NASA engineers devised a bold rescue mission. In 1993, astronauts aboard the Space Shuttle Endeavour performed a daring spacewalk to install corrective optics, the equivalent of putting glasses on Hubble. This fix was only possible because the MMT's observations confirmed exactly what correction was needed. It's easy to overlook the ground team's role in Hubble's recovery. The drama unfolded in space, but the solution was born right here on Earth, in quiet labs and lonely observatories. The MMT and its astronomers acted as cosmic detectives, decoding Hubble's blurry vision and helping reshape science for generations. Hubble's repaired vision went on to capture breathtaking images, from distant galaxies to the birthplaces of stars, changing how we see our universe. But behind every dazzling discovery is a story of teamwork and luck, NASA's persistence, astronomers' ingenuity, and one uncelebrated telescope working in the shadows. So next time you marvel at a Hubble photo, remember the lonely ground telescope that saved its vision. Space history isn't just made in orbit. Sometimes, the heroes are right here on Earth, waiting for their moment to shine. Follow Lorelight for more stories worth knowing.